Hello friends, this is Deep Narayan Singh. I hope all of you are doing very well. In this video, we are going to discuss a question category where SQL query is given and based on some table, you need to give the output. So this type of question is very simple in which is coming from the database in your final question paper. Let us discuss some question in this category. So this is our first question. Consider the two tables. One first table is like sales and the next table is items. The table sales will have columns as code, as name and as city. Okay. And items table will have as code, price and uh, I price and I city. So there we go and see the questions. What is the question? What will be the output of the following statement? First statement says select as name, city and price from sales items where city equal to Delhi and sales dot s code equal to item dot s code. So this is our join condition. What is that? Join condition, because this s code is used as a common column between two tables to establish a relation. And city must be Delhi as city. So as city is available in sales table. So we are talking about this record, and here we can see for this record what is the S code S01. As for S01, what is the I price 120 and I city is also Delhi. Fine. What I want in the output S name, S city and price. So what is the S name for that one? S name for that is what? Hitesh. Okay. And what is the S city? Delhi. What is the price? 1200. So this is the record that is going to come in the output. S name Hitesh, S city Delhi and I price is what? 1200. Let us see the next question. Okay. That is select as name, as city and price from sales where okay, not where. Now we are going to have what? Natural join on items. Now this condition of S city being Delhi is not there. So wherever you find the same values, you are going to get the output. For first one, output is Hitesh Delhi and 1200. Fine, this is the output for first query. For this query, we need to compare the S code. So here S code is S01 and here S code is what? S01. So these two are matching and this is also matching with the S01. Now see what will come in the output. S name will come like Hitesh. Okay, fine. Hitesh, and S city is what? For this first record S01, that is Delhi. Okay, and what is the I price? 1200. This is for S01. Again S01 is matching with one more row here. So for that one, this record will be repeated. S01 Hitesh, and here you are going to have S city as Bangalore, because this uh, S city, no, Delhi only, not Bangalore. Hitesh and Delhi. So here the same Delhi will be repeated. The I price will be different for this particular thing. I price will be 3200. And for next time when S02 matches, this is going to come for S02 and the name is what? Sandeep. So here Sandeep will come at S name Sandeep. Okay, DEEP. And next, what is the S city for that? Mumbai. Okay, and what is the price for that? 2500. So this is going to come in the output. Hitesh Sandeep and Hitesh Delhi 1200, Sandeep Mumbai 2500, Hitesh Delhi and 3200. So this is the answer for the first one. Let us go for the next question. Here two tables are given, school and admin. Based on that we will have some queries and we need to give the output. Select sum of periods from and subject from school group by subject. So we need to create the group of subjects. So how many groups we have? We have a English subject. Okay, fine. Here I have English subject. Anywhere else I have English subject? No. So these two will be added. Okay, sum of periods 24 plus 27. So we will have here 24 plus 27 for English. Okay, next subject is what? Physics. We have here physics, and then we have physics here also, we have physics here also. So for this one, what is the number of periods? 26 for this particular record, 28 for this particular record, 22. These are for physics. Okay, fine. For next subject we have maths, only one, that is 24. So 24 for maths, and we have chemistry, that is 27 for chemistry. So let us see the output for this one. The addition will come for these in the sum part. Okay, so let us see the output for first one. Okay, so this is the output for first one. For English, the sum of 24 plus 27, that is going to be 51. For physics, 26 plus 28 plus 22 is going to be 76. For maths, 24, and chemistry, 27. Next question is select teacher name, gender from school admin. Okay, and where designation equal to coordinator and school dot code equal to admin dot code. Now let us erase all the annotation from the slide, and we need to see designation as coordinator. So find out designation which column. This is available in admin. So these two records are having what? Designation as coordinator. 1009, 1203. So 1009 is there and 1203 is there. Okay, fine. Designation as coordinator, school code has been matched for the joint condition. What I want in the output? Teacher name and gender. So what is the teacher name? Priya Rai, Lisha Anand, and gender is female for both. So this is the output: Priya Rai, Lisha Anand, and gender is what? Female. Select count of distinct subject from school. So how many distinct subject? For English 1, for physics 2, for maths 3, and for chemistry 4. So how many distinct subjects are there? 4 distinct subjects are there. So these are very simple questions. If you just see how to find out the data and practice 2 3 questions, definitely you are going to get the correct output out of these questions, and you will get full marks in these questions. Let us see the next question. Here you have two tables, items and customers, and the column name like ID, item name, manufacturer, price, and for customer CID, CNAME, city, and ID. So which column is acting as foreign key? This ID is here what? Primary key. And here in customer table it is acting as foreign key. Okay, how come I know? Because here it is satisfying all the criteria for primary key. No duplication, no null values. But we can have here duplication, and this is what the foreign key is in the customer table. Let us see the questions. So select item name, max price, and count star from item group by item name. So we need to first create group using item names, and from which table? Item table. So how many groups we can create? Suppose this is the first group for personal computer. Okay, so there we have how many? 3 records for personal computer and 2 records for laptops. So how many groups we have? We have 2 groups, one for personal computer and one for laptop. So what is the count star for item name personal computer? Count star is 3. Okay, personal computer, what is the count star? 3. For laptop, what is the count? 2. Maximum price, now you see for personal computer 35,000, 32,000, and 37,000. So what is the maximum? 37,000. So here you are going to get 37,000. And for laptop, what is maximum? 55,000 and 57,000. So here you get 57,000 as maximum. Okay, fine. So this will be the output for first question. Okay, let us see the next question. select a CNAME manufacturer from items customer where items.id equal to customer.id. Okay, so CNAME and manufacturer we want, but before that we need to compare what? Items.id equal to customer.id. So LC03, let us find out. LC03 is available where? This is available here, LC03. For that, CNAME is what? CNAME is LC03. The CNAME is NROI. So first record will come NROI. Okay, for LC03 the CNAME is NROI. And who is the manufacturer for that? Manufacturer is PQR. As you can see, the manufacturer is available here. So PQR. And for next PC03, what is the name? R-Sync. So I will write R-Sync here. And who is the manufacturer for PC03? PC03, this record. And here is the manufacturer XYZ. So XYZ is the manufacturer. PC06, what is the name? Name is R Pandey. So R Pandey is the name. And who is the manufacturer for PC06? PC06 for this particular record, COMP is the manufacturer. Okay, fine. For next LC03, again LC03, that is again the manufacturer is PQR. So for this C Sharma for this record LC03, the manufacturer is what? PQR. Okay, fine. For PC01, K Agrawal, who is the manufacturer? For PC01, manufacturer is what? ABC. Like that you need to find out the records. So let us see the answers. Okay, fine. Next question is select item name price multiplied by 100 from item where manufacturer equal to ABC. So manufacturer equal to ABC in how many records? Let me erase some of the content from the table so that it is clear to understand. Okay, fine. Now we are dealing with the manufacturer ABC. So let us see manufacturer ABC is available here. ABC is available here in these two records. What I want item name. So for item name is personal computer and laptop, and price multiplied by 100. So we need to give 2 more 0 for that two records. Let us see the output for first one. This is the output. Let me clear the annotation from here. Erase all the ink. So personal computer and 37,000 for this particular thing answer. Second is what? Enroy, PQR, R Singh XYZ, R Pandey computer, C Sharma PQR, K Agrawal ABC. We have already seen the output for this one. And next here personal computer, 2 more 0 is added for both the records because we want to multiply the price by 100 where you have the manufacturer as ABC. So this is the third question. Let us move to the fourth question where you have this course table which have column like CID, CNAME, fees, start date and TID. Let us see the queries. So first query is saying select a distinct TID from the course. There you have the TID. This one is okay, 101 and 103, 102, 104. 101 we have already wrote, so we will not take that. 105. So how many distinct we have? We have here 5 distinct, but we are not asked to count. We are actually to display the TID. So this will be the output of our first query. Let us see the next query. Select a TID and count star and minimum fee from the course group by TID having count greater than 1. So if you group TID, how many group are going to be created? 5 groups, because you see this 101 only repeated, so we can only make group of similar TIDs. So this 101 is going to have count star greater than 1. Remaining all are having count 1 because they have only one TID for that particular value. Okay, fine. So for this particular record, one group by TID, okay, we have grouped and checked for the count. Find out TID. So what is the TID? TID is 101, count star is 2. What is the minimum fee or for that? Fee column check out 1200 and here you 20,000. So minimum is what? 12,000. Okay, so that should be the output. Let us see the next query. Select count star and sum of fee from course where start date is less than 2018 9/15. So all the months which are less than 9 will come. So these okay, so this is also less, this is also less, this is also less, this is also less. Okay, fine, let us see the result. You need to sum all the values. And what is the count? You are going to get the count 1. Okay, less than okay, not less than that. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. This 10 is not less than, it is greater than. So only 4 records are going to come and you are going to add these values like 12,000 because you want sum of fees. So 12,000, 15,000. Okay, this one, and there you will add 20,000. Okay, fine, and there you will add 18,000. So this is the sum which you get in the output. So only two things are required. Fine. Let us see the output. Different TID, how many? 101, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And here you are getting count as 2 and 1200. And here you are getting count star as 4. And sum of fee, if you add all these numbers, you are going to get what? 65,000. So fine, this is the answer for your fourth question. Let us move to the next question. Write the output of the SQL queries based on the given data. You have two tables like trainer and course which have some columns in it. Let us see your first question. Select a distinct city from trainer where salary is greater than 80,000. So how many record are having salary greater than 80,000? This record have greater than 80,000. This is also having and this is also having greater than. For them, a distinct city, you have Mumbai here, you have Chandigarh and you have again Mumbai, but Mumbai will not display again. Okay, anywhere else you have greater than 80,000? No, you will have what? Mumbai and Chandigarh. Fine. Go to the next query. Here you have select TID count max fee from course group by TID having count star greater than 1. Okay, so again this 101 will be grouped in course because it only has count greater than 2. 2 times it is coming, remaining all are coming 1 time. So this having condition will be failed for other TIDs. Now next is what? We need to display what? 101 count star is what? 2 and maximum fee. So which one is maximum out of these two? 12,000 and 20,000, that is 20,000. So this will be the output. Going for the next query, select t.tname, c.cname from trainer as t, course as c. So these are the table alias given to them. So you need not to write trainer completely to give a qualified name to the column. You can just utilize this t or c single letter to denote that table. t.tid equal to c.tid and t.fee is less than 10,000. T dot fee is less than 10,000 is available in this record. You can find out this is a 9,000 value which is available here. Fine. And what is the TID for that? TID for that is 104. And for this 104, check out what is T name? Meenakshi. So this is going to come in the output as T name. And what is the C name for that? DDTP. So this is going to come. So what is Meenakshi is going to come here. Okay. And C name is going to come DDTP. Let us see the output for first one. You have like Mumbai. Okay. Greater than 80,000 it is there. So Mumbai, fine. Mumbai you have. And what distinct you want? And Delhi we have. Do we have Delhi for this one? Mumbai for this one. Chandigarh. No, we do not have Delhi. This is wrong. So Mumbai and Chandigarh both are correct. What is going to come? Mumbai, and next we are going to get what? Chandigarh. Okay, So these two records are going to come as distinct city where salary is greater than 80,000. For next one it is 1012 and 2000. Fine. For next one it is like Meenakshi and DDTP. Question number 6. Write the output of the following queries. You have two tables like stationery and consumer, which have SID, stationery name, and company name, price. These are the columns for that. Select count distinct address from the customer. So where address is available, these are available. Distinct address count 1 and 2. Distinct. They are again repeated. So what is the value for that one? 2. Fine. This is the correct answer. Select company and max price, min price, count star from stationery, group by company. So we need to group by company. In which table? Stationery table. So how many groups we can have? ABC one group, XYZ another group, and CAM another group. For that one we need to go for count star. So for ABC, what is the count? It is coming 2 times, so count star will be 2. For XYZ it is also coming 2 times. For CAM it is only 1 time. And maximum and minimum price, so I will write here MP for maximum, min P for minimum. Minimum price for ABC is maximum price is what? 15 and minimum is what? 10. So ABC maximum is what? 15, minimum is 10. For XYZ maximum is 7, minimum is 6. Maximum is 7, minimum is 6. And for CAM both are having same value. Okay, there is no max min, only one value is available. So this is the output for your second query. Let us go for the third one. You will have this third query. Select consumer dot consumer name and stationery dot stationery name, stationery dot price from stationery and consumer, where consumer dot sid equal to stationery dot sid. So sid is going to act as foreign key here and primary key here. Now what actually they are asking? They are asking wherever you have same sid, for that one consumer name and stationery name and stationery price. So let us see PL01. What is the consumer name? Good learner. And for against it PL01, PL01, what is the stationery name? Pencil. And what is the price? 5. So I will write one record here. Like they are asking first consumer name. So first consumer name will be good learner, because we are talking about this particular record PL01. So good learner is the consumer name. Then stationery name is what for PL01? Pencil. So stationery name is pencil. And for that next is price. What is the price? 5 is the price. Like that it is going to come. Let us see the answers for that. So okay, ABC max price is 15, min price is 10, XYZ 76, CAM 55, and count is 221. Fine, correct result. And for third query, let us see the output. Good learner pencil 5. Actually we have wrote only one line. For other you can try out by your own. Like for GP02, check out GP02 is available where? GP02 is available here. So what is that? Gel pen is going to come. And what is the consumer name for GP02? Write well, write well. And what is the price for that gel pen? 15. Okay, fine. I hope you are getting how to get the result of the join queries. Going for the next question, seventh one. There you have like dealers and stock table. You have two tables, and let us see the first question. Okay, select count distinct decode from stock. You have stock table available to you, and here you want to count the distinct decode. Let me change the color of my pen. So this is one decode, two, and then you have three. How many distinct decode you have? Three distinct decode. Select quantity multiplied by unit price from stock where item number equal to 5006. So 5006 row is this one, and here you need to multiply quantity by price. So this will become 4400. Okay, fine, so you will get the output as 4400. Select item comma d name from stock as dealer d, where s dot decode equal to d dot decode. So and item number equal to 5004. Item number equal to 5004. We are talking about this particular record here. You will find what is the decode. 102. Let us check 102. It will say clear deals. So item and d name you want. What is the item? Item is eraser big, and what is the d name? Clear deals. Let us see eraser big and clear deals. Min stock date from the stock. So stock date minimum. How come we know which one is minimum and which one is maximum? Okay, so let us see. It is saying 2009-11. All dates of 9 means, when you say minimum, means from today's date. If it is far from today's date, it will be called minimum. If it is nearer to the today's date, it will be called maximum. So what is the today's date? I am recording this video on 1/14/23. If you compare it by today date, for going to 1/1/2009, you need to move way back rather than going for the other. So the date which is farthest from the today's date is called what? Minimum. And the date which is nearer or to the today's date, that is called maximum. So finding out the answers for the date, you will keep that concept in mind. What is the concept? Remember, very obvious that you people do mistake while finding out minimum and maximum. From today's date, if it is farther, then it is minimum, and from today's date, if it is nearer, then it is maximum. Let us move to the next question. You have two tables, product and supplier. Based on that, some queries are given. Okay, we are going to answer those queries. So for first query, select a distinct supplier code from product table. Where is supplier code? This is available, distinct. So this one is 1. Okay, and this one is 2. Distinct supplier code we need to display, and then we need to display this one also. So these three we are going to display: S01, S02, and S03. So this will be the answer: S01, 2 and 3. Max price and min price from product. Price, which one is minimum? I hope this one is minimum. Which one is maximum? 28,000 is maximum. So this is max and this is what? Min. Okay, so maximum price is like 28,000, minimum price is 1100. Select price into quantity as amount from product where PID is 104. So product table, where is the PID 104? This one. And quantity is what for that? 500, and price is what? 1100. But here is a catch: you have to write the header as amount, not price multiplied by quantity. So the header will be written as amount, and if you multiply 1100 with 500, what you get? 55,000. Let us see the next one. Select P name, S name from product P supplier S, where P dot supplier code equal to S dot supplier code and quantity is greater than 100. Okay, fine. So quantity is available here. Quantity is greater than 100. For which records we have quantity greater than 100? This record we have quantity greater than 100. For this record we have quantity greater than 100. So these two records will come. And for that one, supplier code is what? For first one, the supplier code is S01, and for this record is also the supplier code is S01 only. So S01, what is the name available? S name. S name is like get all inc. So for first one it is digital camera, and for second one is pen drive. So let us see the output: digital camera and pen drive, and both the S name are same, as we have the supplier code as same here, S01 and S01 for both the records. Okay, so this is our first record where quantity is greater than 100. Okay, here also quantity is greater than 100. So before applying join, you have to care about the next condition which is given in the join. Let us see the next question, where you have these table Carden and customer. Let us see the query select count distinct make from the Carden. Okay, so go to the make and find out the distinct count. Suzuki is 1, okay, Tata is 2, Toyota is 3, Suzuki we will not again count because we are going to count the distinct 3, and Mercedes is 4. So what you get, distinct make 4, count of distinct make. Maximum charges and minimum charges from Carden. Find out maximum and minimum value. This is the maximum and this is I think the minimum. 12 is the minimum and 35 is maximum. Select count star make from Carden. Okay, that is going to give you error. Count star make from Carden. Okay, uh, there is a problem. You have to use what? Group by clause. Group by make. Now it is fine. If you group first based on the values of that column, and then you can find the count star for that one. Okay, so there is a problem. This is not correct output. Select car name from Carden where capacity equal to 4. Okay, so for capacity equal to 4, what are two car names that are going to come? SX4 and C class. SX4 and C class. Fine. Going for the next question, employee and cell grade. Okay, there you have some queries and we need to give output for this. First select count cell grade. Okay, and cell grade from employee group by cell grade. Okay, fine. So we need to group the cell grade. So what I get here, S01, S02 and S03. Let us see the count. It is coming 2 times. Okay, this is also coming 2 times. This is coming 1 time. So S01 is 1, 2, 2. This is going to be the output. S03 is 2 times, S02 is 2 times, S01 is 1 time. If you check out in cell grade, you will find the answer. Let me erase some of the annotation from there so that it will be clear to all of you. Select min DOB and maxed DOJ from the employee. Remember the concept which I have explained. The date which is further from today's date is called what? Minimum, and with the date which is nearer to the today's date is called maximum. So let us see the years first when we are going to find the minimum from DOB. So minimum further from today's date is which one? This one, because 80 is furthest from today's date. All are after 80, 87, 83, 84 and 82. And what is the maximum nearer to the today's date? So 2010 is nearer to the today's date. So this is our maximum. Let us see. Okay, so there you find the minimum is like 87 and maximum. Okay, I get it wrong. Maximum is what? Furthest from the today's date, and minimum is what? Minimum is nearer to the today's date. So for nearest, what is DOB nearest? That is 87. Wrong. 87 is the nearest, and maximum means furthest from the today's date. So which one is the furthest? 2003. This one is the correct answer. That's why I'm saying this is quite confusing. You have to keep that in mind. The reference point is what? Today's date. Suppose I am recording this video like 1/14/23. So from today's date, the furthest from this date is called what? The furthest from this date is called max. Okay, and nearest to this date is called min. Nearest to this date is called what? Min. Next one is select name salary from employee cell grade where E dot S grade equal to S dot S grade and E dot code is less than 103. Okay, fine. So E code is less than 103. Where is E code? E code is available here. 103 less than, so how many E codes are going to come? 101 and 102. Okay, fine. Name and salary we are going to get. So what is the name? name is available here, Abdul Ahmad and Ravi Chandra. And what is the salary for S01 and S02? 56,000 and 32,000. Let us see the answer for that. Abdul Ahmad, that is what? 24,000. Abdul Ahmad, okay, not S01. Abdul Ahmad, the salary should be 56,000. Wrong. That is what? 56,000. And Ravi Chandra, that is fine, 32,000. Let us go to the next. Select cell grade and salary plus HRA from cell grade where cell grade equal to S02. So for S02, this record salary plus HRA, you will get 32,000 plus 12,000, that is going to come as 44,000. Let us see the queries for this particular question, where you have the table employee having column name like E code, name, department, DOV, gender, designation and salary. So select sum of salary from employee where gender equal to female and department equal to sales. So for this is a sales department, there you have the sales department, and gender is what? Female for both. So salary sum 25,000 plus 18,000, that is going to come in your output, that is 43,000. Select max DOB and min DOB. Okay, fine. So for that we are going to write the answer. Max DOB is what? Max DOB. Let us see the answer for it. From today's date, which one is nearer from the today's date? Okay, this is the date which is nearer from the today's date, or this one is the nearer to the today's date. This is the maximum DOB. And minimum DOB is what? Minimum DOB is what? The furthest from the today's date. So which one is furthest? 1993 is the furthest from today's date, that is 1/14/2023. Okay, so furthest from that is what? Furthest from that is what? Minimum. And nearer to that is what? Nearer to it is what? Maximum. Okay, so min will give the date which is furthest from today's date. Okay, or maximum will give the date which is nearer to the today's date. I hope the concept is clear. Select gender, count star from employee, group by gender. Okay, fine. So it will give how many males and females are there. So gender, group by gender, if you do, you will get two group, female and male. So how many female? 1 2 3. So female 3, count star. And what is, how many males? 3 males are there. So this is the count star for it. Female 3 and male 3. Let us go to the next question. Write the output of the following query. Select distinct discount, count of discount from product. Okay, fine. So in count, only two places values are there. Remember that when you write this count function and supply a column name, it will not consider null values, not consider null values. But if you do like count star, okay, count star, okay, then it will consider the null values. So for count star, it will consider the null value. Remaining all aggregate function, min, max, okay, sum, average, they will not consider the null value. So these all are null. Okay, what does null means? Value not present. Null is not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. Let us see the next query. Okay, let me remove some of the annotation from the slide. What it is saying, select manufacturer, max price and min price from product group by manufacturer. So which table? From product table, group by manufacturer. How many manufacturer are there? LAK, ABC and XYZ. Then manufacturer has been selected. Maximum price for LAK only one value is there for LAK, so maximum and minimum will be 40 40 only. For ABC, what is the maximum? 45, and okay, not maximum, 55, and minimum what? 45. For XYZ, what is the maximum? 120, and what is the minimum? 95. So that will be the answer for second question. And the third question, select product name, client name from product and retailer, where product.pid equal to retailer.pid and retailer.city equal to Pune. So in city column, you have one record where you have city as Pune, and what is the PID? FW05. So for FW05, what is the product name? Face wash. That is going to come. And what is the client name? Total Health. That is going to come. Fine, let us see the answers for this one. So like you can say LAK 40 and ABC 45 and 55, XYZ 95, and here what you are going to get? Total Health and face wash. So product name and client name, that is Total Health, and product name is what? Face wash. Question number 13, let us see the answers for that. Select a department, count star from teachers, group by department. So how many groups you can create? Computer science and computer science, one group. History, two groups. And mathematics, three groups. Okay, so how many groups you have? Three groups. So computer science, history, and mathematics. And how many times computer science came? CS came 2 times, math came 3 times, and history also came 3 times. So this should be the answer for first one. Department, history 3 times, computer science 2 times, and mathematics 3 times. Let me erase some of it so that you can see it properly. Okay, so this is the answer for this one. Select max date of joining. I told you, and min date of joining. Okay, so min date of joining and max date of joining you need to select here. Maximum date of joining, what we have discussed earlier, if you have in your mind, maximum date of joining we have discussed. Okay, maximum minimum price, let us see, there you have the date. Minimum is the furthest from today's date, furthest from today's date, and maximum is nearer to the today's date. Okay, fine, let us see. Minimum is what? Furthest from today's date. So furthest from today's date is what? 2007. If you can see from today's date, that is 1 14 123, which is furthest out of these date of joining all column. 2007 is the furthest, so that will come in the minimum. And maximum, which is nearer to today's date, this is the nearer to today's date, 2018. This will come in the maximum output. Select a teacher name and department, posting place from teacher and posting, where teacher dot department equal to posting dot department and posting dot place equal to Delhi. So where is the Delhi? Okay, this one is Delhi, and we are using this department column as foreign key, or the common column to compare. So here department is what? Computer science. Okay, so teacher name, teacher department, and place of posting. Teacher name like Jugal will come from there, and Shivom will come from there, because these two have the same department. So here Jugal and computer science, and place of posting is what? Delhi. So these two, Jugal, Shivom, computer science Delhi, computer science Delhi. So these are the questions that we have discussed, output finding questions in that particular lecture. I hope if you listen this complete video, a lot of practice has been given that is going to help in your exam. Thank you very much for patient listening, and that's it in this video. Have a nice day. Enjoy.